Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's computer lecture of class ninth and our chapter number 3. And we have discussed our question number 19 in our previous lecture. That was what are plotters and the kinds of plotters. Plotter, I have told you that we discussed plotter is a large scale printer and that is used for drawing and printing maps or charts, and three types of plotter: drum plotter, flatbed plotter, and electrostatic plotter. And plotter consists of one or more automatic pens and receive commands from a computer to make drawing. Plotter receive commands, and plotters are more expensive than printers. And plotter is an output device. So our today's topic is question number 20. Write a note on CDR and CDRW. CDR, what is CD? CD stands for compact disc recordable, and CD used for store data and information. Firstly, see that what is CDR. CD is used for store data. And what is CDR? CDR stands for compact disc recordable. What is CDR stands for? CDR stands for compact disc recordable. For example, it can record any type of data in audio or video form, and the user can write information on CDR only once. It's mean once information is written on CDR disk, it cannot be erased. Okay, and the storage capacity of CDR is 700 MB. Data which is stored in CDR, that is stored for permanent use, and you save data in CDR for backup. Backup means make a copy of original data. If you make a copy of any original data, then data will be lost. You can use it later. Storage capacity of CDR is 700 MB, and that is equal to 80 minutes of digital audio or video. And CDR can be used on almost any CDR-ROM drive, CDR-ROM audio player, and CDR video player. Okay, and our next topic is CDRW. CDRW stands for compact disc rewritable. Compact disc rewritable means you can erase existing data and new data can be write on CDRW, and it can be used for storing any type of software and any audio video data. User can erase existing data and new data can be stored in CDR. If one user can write information on CDR only once. If data is written once, it cannot be erased. And difference is that in CDRW, and CDRW has much capacity than CDR. User can rewrite on a CDRW disk 1000 times. Okay students, today we have discussed that CDR and CDRW. What is the difference between CDR and CDRW? I have told you that CDR stands for compact disc recordable, and user can write information on CDR only once. If that information or data is written one time, then user cannot erase it or cannot change it. And storage capacity is 1000 MB of CDR, and data stored for permanent use. That's why backup copy can be made. Backup copy means make a copy of original data. If data is lost from a computer, then CDR or backup can be used for. And storage capacity is 700 MB, that is equal to 80 minutes of digital audio or video. And data in CDR that we can store, that can be in audio or video form. etc. And CDRW stands for compact disk rewritable. Rewritable means user can erase data and can be write new data. And new data can be stored in CDRW, and user can rewrite on a CDRW disk 1000 times. Okay students, that was our last lecture of chapter number 3, that was input and output devices. Today it's ended and you will learn all short questions which are given, and you will learn all multiple choice questions which are given at the end of this chapter. Okay, and you will learn all questions from that chapter because that is very important chapter, and I hope you will learn it on fingertips. By following these rules you can learn it very easily. In our next lecture we will start our chapter number 4 inshallah, and today our chapter number 3 is ended and you will learn it by heart. I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.